It's mid-July in Dallas. It's 104 degrees. Marcus Vance, his AC dies, turns into an oven. He does what everybody does. He Googles AC repair near me. He clicks the top link, enters his phone number. 2 minutes later, his phone starts exploding. 5 contractors calling and texting all at once. Marcus thinks he's found help. But what he doesn't know, he just became a product. Hot house, crying kids, phone buzzing, nonstop. He picks the fastest talker. The guy who shows up says, "Your compressor is shot. $3,000 please. I'll come back tomorrow," then disappears. This is just not bad contractors. This is a broken system. NOHM was built to help fix that. Home service industries are broken. Homeowners are sold as leads. Good contractors are paying for a chance instead of real work. And every repair starts from zero with no memory. I know this because I live it. My company, Jet Heat and Air, services more than 900 homes a year. I see the homeowner's pain. I see the contractor's pain. And I know the current system is not built for trust. The competition proves the market's real. Angie, Thumbtack, HomeAdvisor, Yelp, Google, homeowner search. But search is not trust. In fact, the 2 largest lead sellers have a customer rating of 1.9 and 1.5 with Better Business Bureau. That's not good. This is a platform problem. Both homeowners and contractors deserve better. Energy monitors they provide data, but data alone doesn't provide action. NOHM is different because we start with the home itself. NOHM gives every home an HIN, a permanent home identification number. Repairs, equipment, photos, service history, communication, the contractor history, all tied to the home. Not just for today's homeowner, tomorrow's homeowner as well. Then we add NOHM Predict, small device. It's installed inside your main breaker panel. It learns the normal patterns inside the house. It learns when your air conditioner kicks on. We get a baseline built up. We see what's normal. Something goes off, we let them know. Not when it's already broken. Zero cost to the homeowner. They pay for the installation only $249. 30 days later, we bill them $144 annual. That's the engine. When service work is performed, NOHM helps create accountability, communications, photos, invoices, service history within the home permanent record. If a contractor doesn't meet the expectations, we remove them. Our role is not to manage disputes or act as an intermediary. Our role is to provide transparency, a trusted system that helps homeowners. We can work together with confidence. We're raising $500,000 to prove the first city launch here in Central Arkansas. The capital will fund launch team, device, inventory, operations, legal, marketing, and working capital. 12-month target is 10,000 homes, 1,000 NOHM Predict devices installed, some HIN records built up, service fees, monitoring subscriptions, and service events. NOHM is not another contractor directory. The old platform monetizes the search. NOHM monetizes the solution. NOHM gives the home memory. NOHM Predict gives the home a voice. And good contractors get real work. And homeowners finally get transparency and accountability. It may sound playful, but our business model is rooted in century-old icon of a NOHM, protector. We stay with the home. We preserve history. We create accountability. Invest in NOHM today and help us build a better future for trusted home care. Thank you very much.